So it's
Now I have to read it again because you just told.
10 to 8. Design and Technology Revision. Croissants. And sun's been getting out this morning. The sheep are just there.
3D printers are CAM machines. They add material to build up an object and create a product. Layers of material to build up. Other examples of CAM machines are CNC routers and laser cutters. 3D printing is increasingly popular in the industry, and this looks deceptive for your electric.
There's a massive flock of birds that just arrived on top of that tree, and they might all fly off in a second to see how many there are. There's like millions and millions of them all on one tree, look. Just have a look. Look, wow, they're going. Look, Mary, look. They're going. It's going above the roof. Look, there they go, look, millions of them. Whoa. And away they go. They must roost somewhere overnight, and then the sun's coming up and they like come in this direction together. So it's Monday morning, about 9:30, and we've just come about 15-20 minutes from the house, and this is the harbour at Putelli, and there's a little town up here. This is where there's like an Asda and a Lidl and a Home Bargains and things, but this is the harbour. It's like an inlet, and then straight down there is where the beach is. So there's like a spit which runs along this way and then bends round there, and then that makes this lovely gentle harbour here for protection and shelter. So that's what this is here. And look, you can see it's got a map showing you what you should be able to think. If it was clear, look, you can just see the hills through the clouds there, and it shows you what they are. So you've got the mountains of Snowdon, and that's what you're supposed to be able to see in the distance, the mountains of Snowdon, the different ones. And you can just make out some of them in the distance, but not properly, not clear. Come round in front here. Could have parked anywhere there, look. There's all parking all there, look. Just parked there. This is where this like spit is here. There's supposed to be a couple of big beaches, but I can hear the waves. So it must be high tide again, early in the morning, high tide. Which way are you walking? We'll have a look. The dunes now. It's like the sand dunes area here. So this is, as I say, Putelli, which is just about 15 to 20 minutes drive from the house. So we're in that direction. Of course, round the other side there is where we were yesterday, Abersoch. So you can see there's when the tide's down, when tide's low, it's going to be a lovely big sandy bay. There's a thinner strip now with high tide. You can imagine that this is like a lovely big wide beach normally, and like low tide and that. Because we're getting out in the morning with the fantastic sunshine, we're hitting the high tides. So there's another beach, a big bay where it runs round the other side of the harbour, forming like a spit which protects the harbour, and that can house about 400 different boats. It's quite new, but actually the town itself has been a port since the mid 1300s, but it lost out when another port opened, Portsmouth Dock. Now I think this could be a dead seal or something up here. We're going to look at the birds are eating. So we're going to have a look and see if there's a seal washed up here. There's a lot of these sea sponges and that washed up on this beach, coming up on the high tide. Interesting. There's a few of these wooden walkways coming down as well. Very colourful sort of houses along there. Row of houses all along the beachfront here. They've all got that sort of terraces, viewing areas and that there. There's a lot also of cuttlefish washed up. Go on, turn it over. These are all cuttlefish, yeah, that's cuttlefish.
Wait, it's an actual fish.
Can I release it into the ocean?
Stay there. So we just walked along the beach. It's getting towards 10 o'clock now. We're just going to head back. The car then just have a look in the little town, which is the largest town in the whole of the peninsula. We're just going to have a quick look in there. That's where these few shops and things. And then we're going to head back down the coast towards where we're staying to the next village along, Landberdog, and we're going to go to an art gallery there, which is the oldest in Wales. So we're going to have a look at that direction. We've got the rest of the beach to ourselves now. Stone circle there, just near the playground.